Hello guys, welcome in this new video. In the last video we have talked about string and math operation. In this video we will talk about comparison operators, so let's start. So compare operators are used to compare two variables, so we can compare two variables and retrieve a Boolean value. For example, let's see an example on Eclipse. So for example, I can say int a equals 3 and we need two variable to compare, so and int d equals 5. So now we can do some comparison. So I can say we can use system out println to print directly in the console the value. So we can say a equal d. So what is for you the correct answer? Let's see. It's false because 3 is not equal to 5. Don't confuse this double equal sign to this single equal sign, because this is to assign a value to a variable, and this with the double equal sign it's to compare two variable. Okay, so now we can say a is more than d. It's true or it's false? Let's see. It's false because 3 is not more than 5. So we can also say a is less than d, and now it's true. Okay, so hope you have understand this concept. So we can compare two variables and retrieve a Boolean results. So we can use less than, more than, and equal. And we can also do something like this. So let's see this example. Less or equal than d. So let's see. It's true. Now with 4 it's also true, because 4 it's less than 5. And now 5 it's less than d, no, but it's equal d, so it's also true, because this time we are checking for a it's less or equal than d, so it's equal than this, so it's true. Okay, if we put here 6, now it's not anymore true, it's false. Okay, hope you have understand this. We can also set a variable with the results of a comparison. So for example, we can say Boolean e equals to a equals d. So it's a Boolean because the results of this will be a Boolean. So now we can print in the console to see the value. So e, and let's comment this because we don't need this now. And let's see the result. It's false because 6 is not equals to 5, so we can now set as true. And we can also use some other comparison operator, like it's more or equal than d, and it's true. Okay, it's true even if I put an 8 here, so because 8 is more than the. It's not equal, but it's more than the. So this stand for more or equal. So one of these two have to be true to set this boolean true. If are both false, the boolean will be false. If just one of these two conditions will be true, the results will be true. Another important operation that we can do is the not equal. So how we can do that? So just declare a new variable, int a equal, so 3, just a random value, and we need another one. So now what we can do, let's say print on the console. Let's print on the console the values. So we have to see the not equal to. So we can say a not equal to b, and the result of this will be true. Let's check. As you can see, because a is not equal to b, so exclamation point and equal stands for not equal to, and two equal sign stands for equal to, so now it's false. The video ends here. I hope you have understand all I have explained in this video. If you like my video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and we will see in the next video.